4x4 time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1991 Chevrolet V5 Blazer. Now, of course, the V, you're always going to think of the K5, but the V was actually used from 87 to 91. I believe it was, Chevrolet was trying to keep confusion from their K10s and pickups and what have you, so they went to a V5 for the Blazer. Anyway, K5, V5, how about a four-wheel drive, two-door 1991 Blazer. Underneath the hood, standard 350 throttle body injected V8 that is paired up with a 4L60 automatic transmission with overdrive. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Have not had the AC blowing cold on this one, FYI. Low mile example of a Blazer also, and we'll take a look at that here in just a bit, but I believe it was just right at about the 50,000 mile mark, and that is confirmed by Carfax. No accidents indicated. Mileage, there is no readings over that mileage amount, so everything looks good in the Carfax. You can take a look at the front chrome bumper. Grills, surrounds, all in good shape. Paint on this within the last couple years, so fresher paint. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this vehicle from the underside, top side, inside, outside, check it all over at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Always call us too, 507-386-1726. Looking up and down the passenger side, you can see how straight this is. I did notice there is one little dinger on the other side that I'll show you, but it doesn't really look like any bubbling above the wheel wells, behind them, around them. And again, you can see the reflection coming off of it, the wall behind me. Cloth bucket seats, center console, shifter on the column. This would be a shift on the fly or transfer as you go, as far as the transfer case. As you can see, the rear window, I left that down portion of it so you could see that is a power rear window. It has a switch up front that works, and also the switch back here also works, and that is a power window up and down. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, with the rear power window, the glass slides down into the door, and then you actually reach up and over, unlatch it, and fold it down, and the hinges are down here on it, so you end up with a fold-out tailgate. Once again, still pictures, you'll be able to see it in the back with it unlatched and folded down. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. One little spot here where I wanted to show you that dinger, if I can kind of get it to show up. Little one on that body line there. Otherwise, take a look up and down driver's side of the vehicle. Had newer exhaust from the undersides from what I remember, so check out those underside pictures. And again, you can see there's the front door to the showroom. All the cars behind us, so you can tell this paint was laid on nice. And again, it is not that old within the last few years. It does have the 10-bolt rear end, 373 rear gears, locking rear differential, so G80 rear diff in it. Of course, power locks, power mirrors. Again, that rear power window. Wipers do work, radio works in it. It does have a little aftermarket Alpine stereo system. Of course, here's your power windows, power locks. Seating area. And you'll be able to see the rear seat in the still pictures. It's also in nice shape. We do have a headliner that's drooping just a tad there I want to make you aware of, and you can see that in the still pictures also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 350 underneath the hood. That is throttle body injected. No need to pump it. There's your miles, just shy of 50,000, 48,032. Here's all the gauges are working. Like I said, there is no miles over that on the Carfax. And we also have the 6-digit odometer. nicely. That door closes. Slip around to the back here. What you'd expect this vehicle to sound like. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here, pop this hood, and check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, here you go. First of all, take a look at this hood liner. Considering the age of the vehicle, it doesn't look like it's really been driven in much for inclement weather. Not a bunch of salt residue, anything like that up in the hood liner. Looks like we have a newer alternator, master cylinder. Looks like there has been some maintenance work done for this. Some upkeep, if you will. Of course, the jack in these was up in the front above that fender. Right back there. Also a trouble light that you can pull out and use alongside the road. There you go. Throttle body injected 350 V8 powered. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive 4L60 automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.